This is what the Mamoul should look like, and even Kiwi likes it. My name is Haya, and this is my bad Kiwi. Happy Eid, بخير. Today, I'll be trying to make Mamoul. This is what it looks like. If you don't know what Mamoul is, it's basically like a traditional Syrian cookie, and it's very tasty and delicious. And the judge who's going to taste it is going to be Kiwi. Hi, first, you need to make the dough. For the dough, you need to put fine semolina, self-raising flour, milk powder, pure butter ghee, salt, and sugar. Okay, so after you did the pistachios, now we need to shape it. This is probably one of my favorite parts. It's really fun and easy and simple. So what you need is your dough, and you need to shape it into a ball, and it needs to be smooth. It can't be like really rough. It needs to be really smooth. And then you need to use the palm of your hands, not your fingers or your thumbs, palm of your hand to flatten it. Don't make it like too thin, make it like even. After that, you need to take your pistachio balls and put it in the center of your dough. After that, you need to take your dough and like this. So after you shaped it into a ball, you need to cover all the pistachios. As you can see, it's all covered up. And then you need to take your tool and put it into the tool. I put flour, by the way, so it doesn't stick. And then use also the palm of your hands to push it down this. And then you can shape it. Then you need to take your tool and put your hand underneath it and just smack it on the table. After that, you need it should look like this. So you leave it in the tray. After you've done as much as you want, you need let it settle for to make it rest for approximately about 30 minutes. And then you put it in the oven. We will show you when we put it in the oven later. Okay, so the Mamoul is ready. It's been in the oven for approximately about 10 to 15 minutes, and it looks amazing. It's like a brownish goldish color. I'm gonna show you the inside. So this is what the Mamoul should look like, and even Kiwi likes it.
Hello.
Hi, Kiwi.